you're experiencing issues with multiplayer in League of Legends, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official League of Legends server status page to see if there are any ongoing maintenance or outages affecting multiplayer connectivity. Step 2. Restart your game. Close League of Legends completely and restart it. This can help refresh your connection to the game servers and resolve temporary issues. Step 3. Update your game client. Ensure that your League of Legends client is up to date. Launch the game and allow it to download any available updates, as outdated versions can cause connectivity problems. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Test your internet connection by visiting a website or running a speed test. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 5. Disable firewall/antivirus. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software to see if they are blocking League of Legends. If this resolves the issue, add League of Legends to the exceptions list in your security software. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.